Right, this is a video I haven't made in a long time. An out the box video. The reason I haven't made one for a long time is I haven't had anything exciting to take out the box. And right at the moment, is there anything more exciting than the new iPhone 14 Pro? This is the silver one. Should we do it? Should we do it? Can I see it over there? No, it's just my hand. We need to do this bit, don't we? I'm trying to film it in both landscape and portrait. So I've actually got the iPhone 11 filming in landscape, because now we've got to make YouTube shorts. So I've got the iPhone 11 shooting in portrait and the iPhone 12 Pro filming in landscape. Now, we're going to take a look at the camera in this video. Look at the camera. We're going to take a look at the phone in this video. Right? Now, there's a very good reason why I have picked. It's called silver, but it's really white. I do a lot of photography pointing a camera out the window. And if you've got a black camera, which both my previous iPhones, both the 12 and the 11, they can really overheat in the sun. So when I'm filming out the window on an aeroplane or I'm in a hot country, they can get hot. So I have gone for this. Now the first thing I'm noticing are the size of those camera lenses. They're far bigger than the 11 and the 12. I don't know how they compare to the 13, haven't got one. And talking and comparing, we're going to be doing a lot of videos comparing the 14 Pro against the 12 Pro. So do think about subscribing to the channel and ring the bell. YouTube will let you know when I notify them. I'm going to be making a big series of videos, tips, tricks about the iPhone 14. There's a lot happening on the channel. It's time to subscribe. But we're going to be comparing the cameras. We're going to be looking at the new cinematic feature. We're going to be looking at the 48 megapixels, and we're going to be doing it side by side with the 12 Pro, which is the camera filming above the head. So it's the one up there. Right. The other thing we're going to look at, he says, that's why they call it silver. Yeah. Oh, it's a little blingy for me, but I really wanted that white background. Really, really did. Should we do it? Can we get this on both cameras at the same time? Oh, there's something about that, isn't there? Now, the controversial bit of buying a new iPhone. Where's my charger? Now, I have the 11 Pro, so I do have the charger. But if I was upgrading from an XS, I'd have to go out and buy it. I don't buy into all this stuff that Apple's saying it's environmentally friendly. It is good that they at least give you one lead. Again, there's no headphones, so that's your lot. And I'm disappointed with Apple for doing that, but I'm not going to whinge. There's countless other videos about that whinging. But yeah, by the time I upgrade to a new iPhone, it is pretty much time that I really want a new set of headphones. I know everyone's buying pods, but I'm old-fashioned. Anyway, there's something about the 14 Pro. In America, it doesn't have one of those. It doesn't have the SIM card tray. It revolves completely around the eSIM technology. Now, I'm going to be reviewing. We're going to be looking at installing eSIMs. We're going to be looking at the new island notch at the top. We're going to look, because they roll it out in England in November, we're going to look in November at the emergency satellite phone technology, that you can actually use it as a satellite phone only for emergency calls, but still very much something new and worth looking at. And as I said, we're going to be doing this side by side with the 12 Pro. So we'll have one last look. It is silver. Yeah, that's I don't know. Do I like that? I've made my choice, and I do really want that. I want that white background for the heat. But anyway, let's get the reflection of everything we're filming on. Hello. There we go. So, I guess we're swiping up. And it's starting a normal process. I'm going to make a video on setting up the phone because there's a couple of things that are slightly different. So we're going to go through all that process. I'm also going to make a video about transferring to a new phone. It's, I think, much more straightforward with the new Apple system. So we're going to do that. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Yeah, it is a cool phone. But we're really going to see the tech inside of this. So please do think about subscribing to the channel. Ring the bell and you'll know a lot more about the iPhone, because I'm now filming on this for all my YouTube channels. It's purely an iPhone YouTube channel. And my other channel, which is Some Bloke Who Travels a Lot, check it out. Lots of travel, lots of plane photography, inside and outside planes, and reviewing hotels and how I'm getting the best out of using my iPhone. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.